back to my channel. In this tutorial we are going to talk about how to create AI infographic, AI generated infographic in Canva. A step-by-step guide to design eye-catching infographic with AI generated image. Now let's get started. First of all, we're going to canva.com. From there, you go to design, click on design. Under that design, now under this, in the search bar, you search for infographic. Now your infographic, it depends on what you want to design. So just click on infographic. It should take you direct there. The next thing we are going to do here is to go into apps, where we will click, and you click on your apps. When you click on your apps, go straight to AI Image Generator. Under that, you just generate any type of image you want to generate. Write your whatever description you want for your image. Write it on it. It will generate it for you. The second way to generate image from Canva, AI image from Canva, is to go to Element. And click on Element, scroll down, and there's text to image there. When you click on Elements and you scroll down, you will see AI Image Generator. Under that place, you see generate your own. Click on it. After you click on it, type whatever type of image you want to, description of the image you wish to use for your infographic. Type it there. Under that place, there is style. After you finish typing, scroll down to the style. Under the style, there's different type of image generation that you can use. You can do realistic one, you can do cartoon, photo, normal photo, realistic, whatever you want, 3D, anyone you want. Just take the type you want. So click on it. Now I want to use photo. Under the size, which type of size you want to use? You want to use square, portrait, or landscape? You can take anyone you want to. Immediately you finish generating it, click on the one that you like. At least it will give you 4 images. Click on anyone you like there. It will go back to our empty infographic that we have. After you finish generating all the images you want to use, it depends on how many images you want to generate. After you finish generating it, leave it there. Go to another tab. Now let's customize our infographic. Under that place, there's different way we can do it. The first thing is we can use templates to make our work more easier and faster, or we can start designing it by ourselves. In this one, I'm going to use templates, and I always tell people that make sure that you have your your information, your documents that you want to use on any graphics you want to do. Always have it separately on your Google Doc. So now let's let's customize our templates, our infographic that we want to use. First thing first, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment.
You had the website that you also need. All your social media and IDD. These are very, very easy to use. To generate image and color to use for infographic is very, very easy. Just choose a template. After you generated all the images you want to use, you get your info down. Now, you choose a template and you started editing any templates you want to use into your own. Let me build it. And the fourth, sound far. Listen, very, very usable for graphic. Eye catching. So I told them that's how it goes. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. And please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.